Hey tax pros and taxpayers! In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload documents to SeQwens as a client. When you first log in as a taxpayer, you will be taken to the dashboard. Using the navigation bar on the left of the screen, click My Folders under Document Manager. You will then see the Document Manager screen where you can upload and access all your documents. For the sake of this video, we are starting with a blank Document Manager. Clicking Create New on the left side of the screen will drop down a small menu giving you the option to create a folder or upload a file. Let's start by creating a folder to upload our documents to. To create a new folder, all you need to do is enter in the name of your folder. We'll be calling this folder Tax Documents, and then click Add. You will now see the folder in your Document Manager. Time to upload our files. Click Create New again, but this time we'll be uploading a file to SeQwens. Once you click File, this will pop up on your screen. Selecting Choose Files will allow you to select files from your computer to upload to the software. Once you have selected the file you want to upload, click Open to return to the software screen. Once the file has been uploaded, you will need to select the folder you want to place it in. We will place this file into the folder we just created, Tax Documents. Finally, we click Upload File to return us to the Document Manager screen, where we can see the folder and file now uploaded to SeQwens. Thank you for watching the SeQwens training video. I hope you found this information helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.